Do you need some quick speaking games for your class? Here are 8 free speaking games from Twinkle. I put the link in the description below. So the first one is Conversational Snakes and Ladders. Here is the board game that you can use. You can print that out. What I really like are the cards. So you've got question cards for beginner, and they have to talk for 30 seconds, describe your hometown. Print these out, cut them up, and then the students pick up and talk about it. Intermediate students can talk for 45 seconds. If you could fly, where would you go? All the way to advanced cards where they have to talk for 1 minute. If you could meet anyone from history, who would you like to meet? I think these cards are super helpful. The next game is If This Is the Answer, What is the Question? These cards are questions with be. These cards are questions with present simple verbs, and these questions include the past simple, can or can't, present continuous for an action happening now. I'm fine, thank you. How are you? How old are you? Where are you from? And then we go to intermediate. How many siblings do you have? Do you have a brother? No, I don't. I have a sister. And then we can go to the advanced. Yes, I can. I can run very fast. Can you run fast? What did you do on Sunday? Can he sing well? Yes, he can sing. 50 ESL summer conversation questions. Even though it's not summer, I think these questions can be super useful. When does summer start? Do you prefer? What's your favorite food? What's your favorite ice cream flavor? What 3 adjectives would you use to describe summer? English conversation practice. So you can just print these out. Students pick one and then they have to answer, and also give a reason why. Do you prefer Spider-Man or Superman, and why? Would you rather eat onions or worms? Do you prefer ice cream or chocolate cake? Why? Very colorful. I like the pictures and good questions to use. If you've got 5 or 10 extra minutes in class, these conversational cards can save your life. In, on, under board game. This is where the students practice prepositions. First go through them so that they know the vocabulary, and then they have to go through the board game to the end. Parts of speech die that you can use. ESL present simple stepping stone game. You can edit this for other lessons too. Click on the correct stepping stones. Okay, so she plays tennis every Wednesday. They, can't be they because it's walks. Oh, so he walks to bus. It's not bus, school. Got it. Nice. I'm so smart. Ha ha ha. This or that. Get to know you game. 20 this or that questions. So the students have to pick which one they prefer. And you can also tell them to stand on the left side of class or on the right side of class. Do you like breakfast or dinner? And the students have to decide. Left or right? Do you like summer or winter? Do you like cats or dogs? Here are 20 questions you can ask your students, and they have to go to different sides of the class depending on their answer. And you can ask them follow-up questions. Do you like pineapple on pizza? No? Okay, so what is your favorite topping? You have to practice asking follow-up questions. If you like these activities, check out the next video.